Hi friends, welcome to the Forgotten Lore. How are you? I believe all of you are fine. I am also fine. Everything is fine. All is well. Come on friends, today let us enter inside our channel, The Forgotten Lore. Friends, today we are going to discuss about this amazing plant. This is a well-known medicinal plant and as well as it is used in pujas also. The scientific name of this plant is Artemisia nigricana, which is coming under Asteraceae family. I will give the scientific classification, that is the taxonomic position, in detail in the description box. Commonly, this is known as Indian wormwood or mugwort. It is known by different names in India. In Kannada, in Tamil and Telugu, Malayalam and all, it is known as Machipatri or Masipachilai. In Hindi, it is known as Dona, and in Sanskrit, it is known as Damanak. It is an important medicinal aromatic herb. The general character of this plant is this plant drives away the insects. This plant is considered sacred, and in most of the cases, it is used for pujas in almost throughout the world. The young leaves are used as an insect, that is to produce a smoke like thing, that is dhoop. It is used as a dhoop in different ceremonies, and it is believed that the smoke of this plant purifies the surrounding environment as it is acting as a bioinsecticide. Since this plant has anthelmintic properties, this is given to children in the form of leaf juice. That is, the leaf juice is given to children to get rid of the intestinal worms, particularly ascaris and roundworm and all. Scientific reports say that this plant has anthelmintic, antiseptic, expectorant, astringent, anti-inflammatory, digestive, diuretic and aromatic properties. This plant is acting as a very good appetizer to promote digestion and appetite. This is one of the popular medicinal plant in case of Chinese traditional medicine, and commonly it is used in the treatment of hepatitis, cancer and any case of inflammation as well as malaria also in case of Chinese medicine, and it is recommended for other skin infections also, since they have antifungal, antibacterial and antiviral activities. It is recommended for the treatment of asthma, cough and other inflammatory disorders like eye problem and ear problem. In some indigenous system of medicine, the infusion of the leaves are used in the treatment of nervous problem and in case of spasmodic affections, and even in case of asthma it is recommended. In some cases, some indigenous medical system, it is recommending this leaves to cure some problem in the brain, that is in the diseases of the brain. So the infusion is also considered, as I told before, it is improving the appetite of a person. In Nepal, it is recommended to cure diarrhea, dysentery and other abdominal disorders, and in some cases it is recommended as eye wash to cure the burning sensation in case of conjunctivitis. The tonic of the root is recommended as a treatment for kidneys, and in some cases the leaves are made into poultice and it is applied to treat external wounds. This plant genus is an important component in case of some folk medicines as well as in Ayurveda. In case of Manipur, the leaves are used to prepare a local hair care tonic. One research article which was published in 2011 proves that it has different activities such as antimicrobial activity, antifungal activity, like that. So in that, an essential oil is also extracted from this plant Artemisia nigricana, which is also having the larvicidal activity. Since this plant is rich in antioxidants, some research reports say that they are acting as an effective anti-cancer agent. The ethanolic extract of this Artemisia nigricana, it showed a significant effect on anti-cancer. Significant effect on Ehrlich ascites carcinoma. The research was done in mice and it gave a very good positive result. The phytochemical analysis of this plant showed that the presence of phenols and flavonoids which are present in the leaves, they are potential antioxidants. The main metabolites of this species are lactones, coumarins, and acetylens. Other than this, they have many secondary metabolites also. Another report says that the methanolic extract of Artemisia nigricans, it was acting against cancer in case of Swiss albino mice. The result shows that it has reduced the volume of the tumor and packed cell volume, so that the viable cell tumor uh, got reduced when the extract of this Artemisia nigricans was administered. Some people says that in Hindi it is known as Davana and in Kannada it is known as Manchapatri, like that. But popularly in South it is known as Masipatri. In one research they have isolated different bioactive compounds, and that research confirms that these active compounds presence of these active compounds makes this plant as a very good medicinal plant, and this is an authenticated proof of the therapeutic value of this particular plant, Artemisia nigricans. So friends, thank you for watching the video patiently. Whenever you get time, kindly watch all my videos and give me your precious comments and feedback in the comment section, so that I can improve my channel and my way of presentation. Kindly support me and encourage me by supporting and subscribing my channel. So friends, meet you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. See you. Bye bye. Best wishes.